Okay, now that the U.S. Supreme Court has cleared the way for the Mountain Valley Pipeline to resume operations, they've moved a lot of their heavy equipment back out on the hill, right on the ridge line where the pipeline is between the Holly River, Right Fork, and the Elk River in Webster County, West Virginia. Four dozers. This one here that has the weights on this side, the counterweights, you'll see the boom on this other side over here. That's one of the pieces of equipment. They lower the pipeline into the ditches they dig. We're right on top of the pipeline. I think this equipment is headed down off the mountain to the Elk River. They have to come up on the Holly side where the paved road is. That's the only place they could get heavy equipment in, I guess. They drive all the way up the hill from the Right Fork of the Holly River up to the ridge, along the pipeline, and across the ridge down to the Elk River. D8 dozer that we just walked by. D6, a little bit smaller. Pretty serious excavators here. Right at sunset.